amongst the angels. God bow before you. No one is like unto you. The God that created Leviathan, which eyes have never seen. I put my trust in you. To your glory, O Lord. No one is like you, Jehovah. I put my trust in you. To your glory, O Lord. Oh, baby, Bina. Oh, baby, Bina. Oh, Biamandi, Bina. Ndumbi, Bina. Oh, Bintio, Bina. Ndumbi, Bina. Onye were gị were ihe. Onye were gị n'osiri ike.
Good morning.
Elijah were gị n'osiri ike.
Sorry, I was supposed to have come live since morning. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for being here with me. I want you to pick a piece of paper tonight, this morning. It's to one, so good morning from Nigeria. Good morning from here. Sorry, I've not had time since morning. This morning, let me advise you before I proceed with my teachings tonight, this morning. There are people you cannot fight. Use Ebuka Obi as a point of contact. There are people you cannot fight. It is biblical. The Bible talked about the children of Israel. It said the more you curse them. Greetings from here. Just came in now, had my birth, and decided to make a big video because so many people will be imagining why they've not seen me live. Here in the village, network is not really easy. Network is not easy. It wasn't easy today. Before I proceed, these are my findings for today, and I want to say them open here. And this message goes to the management of Zion Ministries. I was not supposed to talk again because I decided I was not supposed to talk because I decided not to talk again. So that I may respect myself, family members and relatives, and for whom we are sat now. There are many things I can't say, but please, this message goes to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Please, sir, for the sake of safety, lives, and to reduce stress upon people, I suggest you start early and close early so that people may go home. Today, people trekked from the Zion ground to Nkwala, where they could find vehicles. Nkwala market. And this whole distance is about 2 kilometers and no, it's above 2 kilometers. That should be about 3 kilometers. So for people standing from morning till this evening, hoping on the Lord, and they still trek this far, I really pity them. And I also want to thank the people of Imo State, the transporters, the indigenes of Ngobala, mainly Eziama, Amala, and the two autonomous community. I want to appreciate all of you for your steadfastness and your humility, your availability today. The Okada riders, may God bless you for your sacrifices today. And at the same time, I want to also tell you that it is wrong, according to observations, for you to take advantage of anyone by charging them higher. From Zion Ground to Ishinkwala, you were charging 2,500 naira. This is too much. From Zion before now, from Amala to Ishinkwala before now, used to be 500. Then from Ishinkwala, from that Zion Ground to Ishinkwala is nothing less than 300 naira. So charging them high because of the population is also wrong. You can worship God, you can serve God with the things you have available with you or within your own position and reach. So I do speak on behalf of those that cannot speak for themselves, that you less the price, the charges. I also want to point at this side of food items, selling it high at this point. Even the indigenes cannot afford it anymore. It is wrong. Remember, after now, the treats and the attention you pay to people Ikenna, let me respond to you. Ikenna Kano, Musa, Igbo a fool. Igbo a sacrosanct fool. As I'm talking at the same time, I give it to you the way you want. And if after speaking to you, I'll block you immediately. You a satisfied fool. Look at his comment. He said, where are you sleeping for now? I hear you rent your father's house out. Igbo a stupid idiot. Your father came in Wolo. For your earliest information, Umbro blogger na pota, I begin to showcase things I have. Igbo a fool. My security has in my compound, but upstairs. I have like 3 buildings in my compound. He be a fool. My own personal compound. My compound occupies 5 plots of land. My compound alone occupies 5 plots of land, fenced together to standard. Only my tank stand will change your life. Ishi Bawakwa get that place, idiot. Or they keep a fool. Don't know where these animals are coming from. Channel hearing a call open on internet. It divided my property into 2. So get half a more fool. All they keep very, very stupid. Many of you are not out of sense, out of brain. You don't your sense itself are there. Even face to face, kuoku maka chukwe anode abama amri ozugbo. Is what I can't hear take a fool. Therefore, I block you from this page. You look at them to be human beings. They don't even have common sense. Since morning, before God and man, everything before God Almighty, Miri Azuru this evening, Maram Naho, Ntokwa Shema Fola tomorrow. The rain, Mbre full, Mchowa your sympathy. I will be making videos under the rain, but I have no need doing that because even me myself, I have my own problem, I have my own things, I have my own needs. Let me block many. Wait, guys, I'll continue with this program, but let me block like 10 of them. 10 of these fools here. Very envious and stupid people, name with common sense. Rinkitiribe. J-Pack was only joking. J-Pack was only joking. Somebody has a socket, okay? Well, let me block you. That's why I'm here tonight. I don't take nonsense. I'm Ubedigo. As at today, God Almighty bear me witness. The rain this evening from Unkwala there, Madam Nahu, God Almighty bear me witness. But everything Abucharo, what you will start saying. Yeah, Mako say it because some people they stranded. In the dream of the human sympathy. So some people are so foolish. If you see their comments, you will know how foolish they are. So back to what I was saying before, I appeal to our people. I appeal to our people. Do not take advantage of the crowd you see today. Don't do that. It is wrong. It is wrong. It is very, very wrong. Those people in a charge 2,000 naira from Ishi Kwala to Obala Junction. Imama Haji Ego, Haji Wela Ruebe. Mmadu Shebe Gilawa Olarube. Will you be happy? Or them a plate of food in a 500 naira before 1,000. In a 2,000. Why? The things Igoro we near. Did the prices increase in the market? The answer is no. So why are you doing that? Ogodima maybe Ishi get in larger quantity. Even if Ishi has a higher quantity. Somebody said your Jesus is powerless. I block you from this page immediately, and they have fake accounts. So as a bigger page, I think I have the opportunity to report and block you from here. I'm not telling you whether Jesus is fake or real. I don't care your belief. Let your belief be with you. So I also appeal to Evangelist Ebuka Obi to always close early so that people can find their way home. Even till 12, after 12, people were still going home. Crowd known as Zion Ground. The crowd already at Zion Ground is much. It's really much. More than the people that left. And tomorrow they are returning again. Then, another thing I want to say here is very simple. Do you see why you need quality leadership? Those who came to Ngobala today, you can now see why you need quality leadership. Do you see why quality leadership is needed even at the least place you never imagined? Now, people are using that straight road to Igrita, Amala, Nkwala, Opala, Abia, that single road. That's why you had that long hold up today. Even Evangelist Ebuka Obi was at the hold up for over 1 hour. while living. So hold up all over that road. Then we've also tried to talk to the soldiers, those soldiers before Zion, those checking points there. There is no need doing what you do before. Allow people to cross. But those that can also speak to them should also speak to them. And they are contributing more to the hold up. They are contributing more to the hold up you see there. At some point, when you leave what you know and just ignore for now. It is very, very important and necessary. Then, to our dear Governor Hope Uzodimma, from Nkwala to Olapo Junction, to Olapo Direct, that straight road, if you had fixed that road all these years, sir, the hold up you see there, you would not have it today. And that road is a state road. Even before a council can handle such project, it will not be easy on them. So yeah, at least if there is nothing you've done for the people of Ngobala, do that particular road. Through that road, people can pass Grace Hospital. Through Grace Hospital, they get to Umocham. From Umocham to Amalan, you just appear at the back of Zion. You see, once you get to Zion, the last part of Zion, that road you see there where they put street lights down, leads to Umocham. From Umocham, you can get in Botokoya. Road safety. That road also leads to Emekuku. Because you pass through Nori and get to Mbise. From Mbise, you get to Emekuku. This road needs attention, needs urgent attention. So Governor Hope Uzodimma, in this area, this is why you needed to walk. Today, the whole world is coming. They are coming to see what's going on. You think that lonely road attracted by a right honorable making Hediohan will serve? It is not. So I'm also using this opportunity to appeal to you. There are different roads in that place you see. We have another one before the army checking point. You cross left. You enter there to Obokwe. Obokwe to Oboro. Oboro to Alolo. Alolo to Eboke. Eboke to Ekeda. So these roads will ease traffic on that lane. So this is very, very important. It is important. Then to Ndi Igbo, whether you're a Christian, whether you're a Muslim, Omenala, it is also good. But there are needs to build hotels in this area. There are needs to build factories, industries, farms. Come to Ngobala local government area of Imo State and invest. Majorly, the communities involved heavily right now. Invest anywhere in Ngobala, but when you say you want to invest close to Zion, it should be into Eziama, Amala. This is 3 autonomous communities that makes up Mbishi. Not 3 autonomous communities. We have more there, but the affected areas more. Amala, Eziama, Ntu. So anywhere within this area, if you see land, genuine land, buy. Then the prices of lands there, it has increased high because many people are no longer selling. Many people, due to the crowd they saw, the same thing. Places you can still see as at last month for 3.6, 4 million, 4.5, just along that express. Now you get for 10 million, some places even 7.5, some places 6 million, some 5 point something. If anybody is telling you it's below that, maybe little did you know that at the back of Zion, Ebe Zion no kushri clear now, they will clear more. They will clear more than what you've seen already. So if anybody takes you round Umocham, round my own kindred, they will take you round. They will just follow Nkwala, take you from the back side of it, at the back of Grace Hospital to Umocham, take you down and sell to you inside. You would not know that those lands has been gazetted since. So they go sell them for you 3 million, 2.5 million naira. You get lose to that land. Go and mark my words somewhere, you will lose the land. You will lose it. My neighbor people they no agree. Go and ask those that will tell you the truth. Then if you want to buy, put your eyes down. Be very, very careful. Invest. As I speak to you, there are no hotels. I hear from Ntu Autonomous Community. You will hear the prophet mentioned Ntu today. I am from Ntu. I'm from Ntu. And I've been here. And I go nowhere. So, while you buy land, be careful. Lastly, I pen down these things I'm saying here because you must write. I also want to commend our people and urge them to do more. And also remind them that at the back of Zion, you get a link road there to Omenala Secondary School. One school I telecasted a few days ago. I showed on camera a few days ago. So at the back of this school, the Fulani herdsmen actually there, but they've not been there for some days now. They have not been there for some days now. Then the government should also take cognizance of this. Near Nantu Autonomous Community, and we're going to power line. That power line you cross before Zion. If you trace that power line down. Pota Umochan, cross Umochan, Mediki Jegeba Nabo Uvruntu. There is a place in the Fulani herdsmen, Neroro. Tent, there are tents, there are about 6 there. So the Eze in council have informed you, and I don't want to take laws into my hands, and I'm not asking anybody to chase them away, but please, the activities in this area should be monitored, should be checkmated. Camera what they are doing there. Then that's one. At the back of Zion, you get Omenala Secondary School. This school, if you check this page, you'll see a few days ago, I broadcasted and where I showed this school on live camera. It's just about 3 poles or 4 poles from Zion, just at the back of Zion. In the morning like this, tomorrow morning, if you go there, so why doing that? How they quite careful there? They should be very, very careful. That place, although in one name, Manandi Amala Tiena Aka. So Ndi Amala and Ndi Ntundumo Cham Ndomo Ontundumu Hoko Umoloma Umobantu Umlokoche. All these areas, these people, everybody should help to protect lives and properties in this area. Those coming, those already who came, should be protected. Just calling the attention of the police. You must not only be on the expressway. Consider Uvruntu. consider mounting a checkpoint there, because due to the hold up, people started using that Olakwa road. And that road Aderoma, because check my page also, a few days ago, I showed those roads. That's why when you see evil, condemn it. You never can tell. Those hold up you meet today, those people you saw there that we are stranded. Had it been that road from Nkwala to Council Headquarters, to Nguru, to Olakwa, was fixed before now, people can still live Ngokbala and return tomorrow morning, and return this morning, I mean, due to good road network, if actually we had any. Then there are other ways from that Amaland to there. If I thought that road was fixed and that school was fixed also, from there you can get a link road from Grace Hospital to LLM Autonomous Community. From LLM you get to Umundoche. From Umundoche you get Ndash, Eche. From Ndash you can still go back to Port Harcourt, go even straight to Omagwa Airport without being interrupted. There is also a link road there to Ozuzu. Ozuzu to Eziobodo. Eziobodo in Owerri. You must not join the express. But the reason why people are not following these roads are because it's just simple. There is no good road there. These places were ignored for years. So please, I beg of you, if you know you have money, come to Ngokbala, invest. Amala, Ntu, Eziama. Anywhere in Eziama, you can build hotel. Even in Oboko itself, people will come there and lodge. Crowd will come there. So if you know you can build hotel, you have monies to build hotel, you must not pass through me. To get land, you must not pass through me. Pass through any other person, there is no problem, because here din Allah the easy. Here din Allah or the easy. Or the easy. So you can pass through any other person you want. Your source, there is no problem. If you don't trust the person, tell the person to involve the village traditional custodian, not the tradition, not the Eze in council or the Eze himself. We have what we call Eze in council, comprises of Onowu, chiefs, and Nze. Majorly Nze. Nze could help you, hence the Nze endorses on that land you can pay. Do not be afraid. You can pay. There are genuine lands there, but don't buy close to Zion directly for now, because many of those places here, somebody be saying now not close to Zion, no 2.5 million. I am telling you, no fake. Here din Allah the easy. Here din Allah or the easy. So thank you for this. Then lastly, I shouldn't have talked about this side, as some people will also be offended. If Ebuka Obi has never done what you like in Ngokbala, I challenge you to bring your company to Ngokbala. Hence you said he's fake. I want to agree with you. Then at the same time, I want to challenge you. I need you to come and do for our people what Ebuka Obi has never done. I want you to bring a higher investment. Don't just be the talking type. Don't just be a talking machine. Be a doer. So the people of Ngokbala, they are waiting for you. Come and invest. Lands are there. Lands are there. Whether you want 200 plots, 300, 1,000, 500 plots, there are lands there. So buy around Ngokbala, around those territories, then be there doing your own business, challenging him. That's what we're telling you. You can come and build your hotel. You can come and build your factory there. Population is there already. You need to see at the junctions, crowds, stores, shops. People we are trekking from that place to Express to Okbala Junction. Yeah, and I'm going to trekking of 1 hour. And they are buying things along the road. So come and invest. Bring your own investment home. Don't stay far and be ranting. So ọ bụrụ ma onye Igbo ga-abata n'ime ọhịa, bata na the middle of that place and when development. Some of our brothers in the village hate anyị now. What is the problem? They said we didn't speak against Zion. Oh yeah, but there are some elements in Afukwa there that when they fuck up, I rush them. You never appreciated that one. Just because I didn't do exactly what you said, and that's why you said you don't like Prince saying that. That's fine. I allow people to reign in their own way and in their own coasts. But right now, you are forced. You would definitely invest in the village. What I've never seen before just happened. Houses, people were renting houses. People were renting some houses that never in this life have I ever imagined that people will come and rent those kind of houses. But people rented it, people paid. Even when they were charging them high, people paid. As a matter of fact, everybody's sleeping in my compound, all free of charge. Heaven bear me witness, it is free. It is free because it's a thing of joy, man. It's a thing of joy. And when if it has happened in your own village, I was surprised seeing so many of my town people that we've never seen for years. They are back home here. Many of them are here now. Man, they want a keke boss. They want a keke boss. Na abaya na abana. Do you know that one of our brother na aba keke na Saba? I mean, this keke boss na Saba. Bruda boss not since 3 days. He has been busy even till now. So what grace can do? Even if he has not come home for a few years back now. And the one man on about keke boss, and he came back with the keke boss because I bought a new one, so he didn't buy it for this purpose. And right now, nobody is taxing you for that your keke boss. Nobody is taxing you anything. You just load, you go. And what I have you go. So it's a thing of joy. And when people in there go 3, 4, 5 keke buses. Today, I also experienced, yesterday, because I have a good new day. I also saw some persons, some people of Mabo, they had 2 keke bus just this short period. They were driving one, and now people now so these people, are they actually born again? Many of them Bundi Omenala, many of them Bundi Dibia self. Man, I have keke bus so haputana about today now about ego. So to the people of Ngobala, what matters is you are growing, your economy is growing, Imo State is growing, Southeast, you're growing. The blessings of God knows no religion. Believe me, I always say this. Makaroni make a miriazo. N'isi onye ezi omume, n'isi onye na-abụrụ ezi omume. This is the way it is. So Ebuka Obi has brought church. I agree with you. Now, you parrots, Ichoku, blah 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 blah. There are other lands like that. Bring your own factory. Bring it to Ngobala. Bring your company. Bring your business. Hence, there is population. Why are you in Lagos? Why are you based in Abuja? Why are you in Port Harcourt? Is it not because the population there can suit or match to your business? So come, Even if you want build private airport, we get land where you go build them. Come and discuss with elders. If they say for you, fine. If they give you willingly, you take. The transporters you see there today, 85% of them are not from Ngobala. I said 85% of them are not even from Ngobala. So kende name again Ndi Igbo. There are people who came from far. Even I was surprised. Port Junction yesterday, an amazing barbecue fish, suya. Mande aboki. Muslims, they are not doing suya na Junction. Tomorrow Bonkwala market. Think tomorrow Bonkwala market. If you're coming to Zion tomorrow, the last market you meet before you get to Zion. All and Nkwala. Barely a crowd. Barely the joy on the faces of the people. People will say it will also advertise that market. So the government has no option than to come and fix these markets and these areas because of the crowd. Appreciation is an application for more. I'm not praising Evangelist Ebuka Obi, but I am praising God Almighty for what He has done. So all your life, as an Ngobala person, you've never built any house that somebody could rent, but right now they are now renting the ones you have in your compound. So that gives you the strength to build more, to invest more. Okay. My name is Governor Ezioku, son of the great Shanamite. Feel free to come to Ngobala. Feel free. Do your business. Where you felt bullied, let us know. Let us know. We are not telling you that we are champions, but we know we can still do something. By the grace of God, we can still do something. Please, today I want to apologize and explain something because of some persons that has called me severally, that they tabled complaint to me for recovering of monies and all that I've ignored. Today, one woman spoke to me rudely. The first call I took this morning, she spoke angrily, and I tried to explain to her. For now, I am not doing debt recovery for now. I'm not running that program for now. You know what's at stake. By the grace of God, I'm running for local government chairman in that same local government. This same local government. I'm running for local government chairman. And as such, there are rules and guidelines. There are things I can't do. So it doesn't fall against the rules of the party, the way people will interpret it. So that's why I stopped for now. And I have nobody around me that should carry on for now, that may do it the way I do it, because I have not succeeded in training or breeding anyone in this particular capacity. So please, kindly forgive me. With time, I'm not telling you that we are stopping totally, but for now, we have a short stop. So I will resume that duty officially maybe from October. Alright, so kindly forgive me if I have not paid attention to your complaint on WhatsApp, or you've called me, I didn't answer. Please, you can also write me. Gradually, I will still get to the point where I will respond to you. So don't be offended. And it is not pride. The woman said, no, nabo, chukumeru nebero obere unebido urenganga maybe ya. Mommy, oboronganga. You won't understand. As we are going around for one thing, we are still going out for other things also. Then having the splitted short time to equally respond to everyone may not really be easy with us. So please forgive me if I have not attended. Even members of my group, members of our group, the Shanamite family, boy, is Igbo onye Mohoko ima onye Igbo? Okay, eshim na abụ nwa enyi, eshim na family enyi, old compound na ka ọnwụ chụrụba. Okay, jụọ anybody isi na Igbo onye Mohoko, jụọ mmadụ atọ na Mohoko ma ha bụ onye mbụ, jụọ mmadụ abụọ. Can screenshot my picture, send to anybody at all. Abmonyu Muhoko, that Mazo local government chairman, Nangopala, under the People's Democratic Party. Emego primary election and I won. So we're expecting the INEC to carry on. I mean, bring out the schedules for campaign, then we'll start official campaign. There you will understand. Okay? So you, my brother, you're welcome. So it's as simple as that. Kindly forgive me if I have not reached out to you. So forgive. Kindly forgive me. Isi Igbo onye Umuhoko. Umuhoko ị ga-amachi na Nsoke na-agụ egwu. CJ Praise. Jụọ ya. Jụọ Nze Ales Ike. Ma oke si ma nke nwụrụ anwụ. Jụọ ya ọma onye nwụ. Ma dị a na-atụtụ ha. Ashanka nwe ya na-akụ egwu. Ashanka jikwa nkụ egwu. Find out. Verify. Just within Umuhoko nani. Draw many of them. So thank you everyone. My name is Governor Ezioku. I'll let you be for now. These are the few words I have for you tonight. And may God bless you. Thank you very much. And all right, thank you everyone, and good night.